So now you can then move down to the bottom of your page. So whatever you like, every time the user click on a particular row of the product, of the product list, it will take the product row that was clicked on and put it inside this object so that we are going to be able to use it when we get to the product details page. So I will come to this. I will come to this data view. Now I want you to pay attention to what we are doing here very carefully. It's very, very important. This is one of the technical part of the application. So I want you to come to this data viewer list, which is the component that we are using to list our products. So I come to the data viewer list. So when it is clicked, I'll bring it to this page. So meaning that when each item, you can see that data viewer list of products. So when the item is clicked, then I want to go to the product details page, but I want to pay attention to the row that was clicked so that I can use that to populate my product row object. So when this row is clicked, I will then want you to come to the variables. I want you to come to the variables and sets. So the variable we are setting is this product row object that we actually initialized at that time. And how do we get the product row object? Just come in here to data sources and move down to get row objects. Yeah, you can see get row objects because you have a list of objects. So I want to get a particular row of that list. So please I'll do that again. You see get value, update value, create row, delete row. Meaning I can even update your Excel sheet. Delete row, check the number of rows in case you want to tell the user this is the number of product that we have, number of row, list of values, but this is on the one I use, get row object. So you can see it's asking me I only have one data source, so getting the row of that data source and which table am I checking it from? Checking it from product table, and I'm going to be checking for this row ID. That means the ID of the row that the user click on. So it will get the object of that row. That means the product, the name, the price, the description, and get that object and then save it inside this product row object. After we have been able to do that, we will then navigate to the product details. Then navigate to the products. Then navigate to the product details. So now, of course, you might not know if the row has actually been attached until we get to the product details page, but for now I just want us to see it in action by just previewing it so that you can see that when we click on a particular row, you see that it takes me to the product details page, and the row object will actually be displayed here. The row object will actually we are going to be displaying that product details that we actually fetch from the user page. We are going to be displaying it here. Alright, with that I will say we have come to the end of the user dashboard module of application. So coming back to our drawing board, we can then come to the drawing board and then mark this list of products as done. So we are actually getting there. So the next one now is this product details, and like our usual practice, we are going to be mapping out the wireframe of the product details page how we want it to look like, and that is what we are going to page. Yeah, so of course this will be used to take the user back to the home page. The product details, this is the page heading, and we are going to be having a big image here. That might look too big. The title, the price, the description, it's going to be somewhat like this, and the buy now button, add to cart, and we then have this button navigation. So this is the product image, this is the title, so this will definitely be buy or add to cart. So this is the wireframe of our product details page that we are going to go ahead to start creating now. So this is the title, this is going to be a label. As you have known, this is going to be an image, this is going to be a button, this is going to be a label. But notice that this label and this image, we are going to be generating them dynamically from the product row objects that we have created.